So today we are going to discuss about what is software testing.
Before that, if you are new to the channel, please click on the subscribe button.
What it is? Software testing is a critical process in the software development life cycle. Okay, software testing is method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure that software product is defect free. So we for example if we get any requirement, uh, like one example like calculator requirement. So the client is saying we want to display summation of two numbers. So the expected result is like 1 plus 1 should show 2, correct? But when 1 plus 1 is showing 3, 4, 5, something different than 2, then that is the defect. Okay, to analyze these type of defects we are doing software testing. Okay, and what it involves evaluation and verification of software system. Okay, we evaluate the software system also, and we verify the developed application also, it is working as expected or it is not working as expected. We verify those things. Okay, and what it verify, the software application or systems meet the specified requirement and functions correctly. As I told in the previous example, 1 plus 1 should show 2, but it is showing 3, 4, 5, something different than 2. Then that is not accepting as per user. So that is the defect. We will talk about that in detail in the next lectures, next section. But what we verify, that whatever the application or system we developed is meeting the specified requirements and it functions correctly. And why we perform software testing? The aim of software testing is to identify and fix any issue or defects in the software before it released to the client, before its actual use. Okay, if client is getting any defect or client is finding any deviation in the requirement and the actual developed software, then that is a failure of the system. We will discuss this part also in the next upcoming sessions. Okay, then we will check what are objectives of the software testing. Okay, so the first objective of the software testing is to ensure the quality of the product. Okay, there are many factors we can verify. The first one is defect free. Second one is speed, performance of the software. Then third one is how it behaves on the different operations. Those all things are comes under this ensure quality. Okay, then we verify the functionality of the software. Functionally it is working correctly. If any click button is working, logout button is working, login button is working, submit button is working, all those functionalities, basic functionalities, and some more functionalities, some extra functionalities, all those functionalities are working fine or not. Then identify bugs. We identify bugs also in the software testing. We report those defect to the developer, that is the bug life cycle. So we will discuss this part also in the future. Then what happens when we perform software testing? So it enhances the performance of the product developed. Okay, we we verify that the performance of the product is good or not, and ensure the security. So in the software testing we verify the security also of the software, like any unauthorized user cannot use those things. If it is a banking related application, then we verify security for the money related all the transactions we verify in the banking sector, banking software. All these are objectives we can explain in the interview or in the examination we are preparing for.